The national anthem. SSRS, Pillar of CON GSS, Your Excellency, Dr. Mrs. Ipalibo Harry Banigo, the Permanent Secretary, Nigeria River State Chapter, Gentlemen of the Press, the Government. May I?
Your Excellency, there's no gain saying that you have performed very well. Not just well, creditably well. And that's why you're referred to as Mr. Quality Project. Your performance has been in every area of development in our state, be it road, infrastructure, hospital, schools, and including sports. For our purpose here today, let me suffice to maintain and say one or two things in the development of sports generally. Your Excellency, if I stand here to enumerate everything you have done in the sporting sector, we probably will not leave here early enough because you have other engagements. But I will only mention a few, especially and most importantly, the legacy you are going to bequeath to the next generation of Rivers people, which is the establishment of Real Madrid Football Academy. Your Excellency, that academy outputs from that institution in the next few years will create career opportunities for themselves, and they will also be breadwinners in their different families. So I want to congratulate you once more on that feat. But the main purpose why we're here today is the presentation of buses and vehicles for Rivers State-owned football teams, which is Rivers Angels and Rivers United. Permit me, Your Excellency, to go a little bit back on memory lane. In 2016, after your assumption of office, the sporting sector in Rivers State was in serious comatose. Unpaid salaries, allowances, nothing was happening in the area of sports. But when you came, you saw it and you conquered all the problems in that sector. You just did not only pay the salaries of the athletes, the sportsmen, and the footballers, and the allowances, you also purchased for them 2 vehicles and a Hilux. But we all know the situation in Nigeria, bad roads everywhere. And they use these vehicles to ply the roads from Port Harcourt to Zamfara, Sokoto, Lagos, Enugu, and most part of Nigeria. Because of wear and tear, those vehicles are in serious bad shape. And we appeal to you to say the teams will need new vehicles. Your Excellency, to the surprise of everybody, you did not waste time. Immediately, you approved and you released monies for the purchase of these vehicles. It goes to show that you have serious concern for the motivation of our players. You have commitment for the development of our players. Their welfare is important to you, and that's why we're here this morning for you to present these vehicles that you have purchased and hand them over to the teams.
Today, like your commissioner said, Your Excellency, this is a state-of-the-art vehicle, the first in sub-Saharan West Africa. And all my traveling experiences, I've not heard that any individual had gone to get this. You are the first. What that means is that you understand the power of sports. You will not know the extent to which this action is traveling. But it's only God that will reward us based on the outcome of these experiences that you have made us to have. Luckily for us, Your Excellency, your teams are doing very well. In fact, I was reading in the paper this morning and I saw that Rivers Angel yesterday went to Uyo and trashed the female team in Uyo there. And currently, your team is having the best of run in terms of Rivers United in the league.
Your Excellency, here today we have come with a lot of joy in our hearts to thank you and say congratulations for what you have been doing for us. We as a team, or as teams in Rivers State, we have enjoyed so much goodness or goodwill from you as our leader and our motivator. We cannot equate them to our performances. Some years back, you took us to Madrid in Spain because of our little performance, and ever since then you have been supporting us as our number 1 motivator. You have been providing funds and a lot of incentives which have really pushed us forward in our quest to win laurels for the state. Here today, we have come to celebrate a state-of-art gift which you have brought to this team. This is the first of its kind, as long as Rivers State is concerned. We have been in sports for several years back. This is the first time we are seeing something of this magnitude. So we want to congratulate, we want to thank you, Our Excellency, for your magnanimity towards the teams of Rivers State. You have been a very big motivator to the team. And again, I know where you come from what we have been passing through. Before this time around, we know well, sometimes when we travel on the way, our vehicle will give us problem. Either it's breakdown, sometimes twice before we get to our destination, because this country, Nigeria, is very far and wide. If you want to travel from Port Harcourt to Sokoto, from Port Harcourt to Zamfara, you have to have a very sound vehicle. And what you have done today have alleviated our problems. I want to thank you, Your Excellency. My immediate bosses have enumerated a lot of good things which you have done for us here. So we are, on behalf of the team, the management and coach technical crew, I want to say thank you. What we have to give back is to reciprocate by winning laurels and making sure that we win trophies to make you proud and also to make Rivers people put smiles in their faces.
I will call you the gender-friendly governor because when you came on board, you took over the Rivers Angels and the United, and since then, you have never failed to do whatever has been given to the boys. It's the same measure they've given to the girls. You've turned our lives around. We want to say thank you. Thank you for empowering the girl child. Thank you for taking the girl child off the street. Your Excellency, sir, indeed you are the power of sports. Rivers Angels is the only Nigerian female team that has foreign-based players. This shows that our welfare is good. Rivers Angels is the only female team that you can say can compete anywhere. We went to Edo State. The governor of Edo State came down and said, I want to see these Rivers Angels. He came with his full squad, his deputy governor, speakers were all there. They said we had so much of this team that dominates everywhere. And we went there and we pulled the storm. We showed them that we came from Rivers State. And the governor was really highly impressed. Rivers Angels has gone round and wide. You cannot go to any national team without we dominating. This has shown that you are really the power of sports. We want to say thank you to you. You have really done more than what our mouth can even say. Our welfare has been taken care of. You everywhere we go, my commissioner has said we have to reciprocate, and he knows that when it comes to Rivers Angels, we have never failed. 7 times on the road, Antioch champions, current league champions, and this is the first time we're fighting because this is the first time female is going to contest for CAF competition. This is the first time. I want to assure you that Rivers Angels will be the first to go out there at the CAF and to bring you the CAF competition. Thank you very much. God bless you so much, sir.
No, one more.
I want to sincerely thank His Excellency what he have done for the two teams. I will say here, few years back, we normally come to this governor's house to come and ask for our wages. But the very first month that our Excellency be on post, I think we came here, we were outside. We were with the protocol outside. He invited us in. He said, why are you here? I was the one leading them. I was afraid. Like the governor is coming towards me and I was afraid. But he looked at me and said, why are you here? I said, he would have done this. He said, go. In the next 24 hours, you will receive your money. It was like a magic. And it came to pass, in the next 24 hours, we receive our money. So ever since, I have been a true professional under your leadership, sir. My wages is always paid as when due. So, sir, you have done very well for us. We are happy. I also want to apologize for your patience. You have patient a lot that we have not given you a major trophy. You told me the last time, you encouraged me like you took second, go and take first and see what I can do. I think that have been a morale booster for me. If not of Corona that came last season, I think we will have delivered the league trophy to you. But sir, I'm assuring you, we are all at. We are really desperate to encourage you because you have done a lot for us. Sir, at the end of this season, we will come here to celebrate with you, that we will bring trophies to you. Thank you very much. We are indeed grateful for all that you have done for us. May the good Lord continue to bless you, sir.
Wike number one in sports, number one in politics, number one in statecraft.
Let me sincerely thank the Commissioner of Sports and his team for all they have been doing to promote the image of the state. I believe that this is the right time for our people using sports as the catalyst for development. One thing I know, and which I have to say, you provided the state-of-the-art luxury boys for Rivers United. Then you provided Costa for the girls. You also go and get one for the girls too. Because you said that with the luxury boys, you can travel for 10, 12 hours and go in and play match. Then with the Costa, if you travel 10 hours, you can't go in and play football. So I will not allow that discrimination. Two, the two teams, as you are living here now, you go with 2 ambulances. I have to support you. I believe that when you have an opportunity, you don't miss that opportunity. This is the time not only to win laurels for the state, but also to put your name in gold, that you are part of the team that brought laurels, that brought trophies to this state. Let me assure you that the state government will not relent to give you all the necessary support that you require to make you bring trophies at the end of this season. I hear you have a CAF match on Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. But let me just say one thing. If you win CAF Cup, your life will change. I don't want to pronounce what I have to change your life, but just win it for the people of the state and then see whether you will be the same. The same thing applies to the Rivers Angels. Win the trophy, be the first that will to play CAF in Africa, then also your lives will also change. Now, as a motivating factor, if you go and win a Yimba and come back, we'll give you 20 million naira. Now, from henceforth, for Rivers United, any match you win away, you have a bonus of 10 million naira. The same thing applies to the Rivers Angels. The same amount applies to the Rivers Angels because, so I believe that just like you have made me continue to maintain that, continue to show that teams that you are really Rivers. We don't need to take second, we need to take first all the time. So I want to congratulate you in advance, and please utilize what has been given to you and use very well. The Rivers United coach and the Rivers Angel, you also know your technical team. You know that if you help them and they succeed, of course, what affects them will also affect you. So we cannot say just the players alone. The technical team, the technical crew is also important. So I want to urge you not to relent. And the supporters club, you know, one of the things that make players to do well is when they are charged. By the time you play a music, most of them are charged. So I do know that you don't have good buses to follow them. I will give you one coaster bus so that you will be able to move with them to some places and give them that moral booster. So on behalf of the government and people of the state, I will hereby present these 2 buses. But yes, the Rivers Angels can be using this for now. But when you bring their own luxurious one, then you return this one to us.